Jump! Jump!
Hi, I'm Tony.
I'm Joe.
And we are Roamin Rookies.
Review of week 6.
Yes.
Now I sound a bit worse than usual because I think it starts to get a cold, so apologies if it sounds a bit more nasally.
We have specifically gone to Copacabana to swim together.
Yeah, but Tony's not a very good swimmer and we had a big kind of swimming event coming up this week.
Yeah. It's probably worth mentioning that we didn't take anything to the beach with us. When we got to the beach, we went to the Posto, and inside they have lockers, and they are 580 Rio. So yes, it prepared me for our big activity of the week, which was our Angra dos Reis boat cruise. Angra dos Reis has over 300 islands.
I think exactly it's 365, and there's a variety of islands. Some are very, very small, some are just like basically a palm tree and a few rocks, but some are massive. And the main aspect of it is to get off the boat and have a little swim, so that's why we went to Copa.
Yeah, it's roughly 3 hours dependent on traffic. In your £60 you get a band on the boat. And you also get lunch. Drinks are not included. When we arrived, we got on the boat and off we went. So there was 4 stops.
So we're doing the Angra dos Reis cruise today, and we just stopped at our first stop for a little swim.
Little paddle.
It was a deeper area of water.
Deeper, but it led to like a rocky where you can stand area. Had by far the most fish, that section.
There was another area which was very shallow and was basically along the shore of a beach. We also had a little wander up into kind of foresty areas. The third one was just a 10-minute stop and was in the sea. It was close to an island, which was a really small island with just a palm tree, wasn't it?
If you've ever played Assassin's Creed Black Flag and you end up on one of those little tiny islands to get a feather or a treasure box, that's the easiest way to compare it to. So it does feel very kind of exotic in that sense.
Yeah. And then the final stop was for half an hour, and that was at an island which you could again get off and walk at. It did dock, so you could get off.
There was a little chair.
Yeah.
There.
So it was great. It was my favourite experience so far.
Yeah, I think it probably was the best experience I've had here. Primarily because when you think of Rio, there's certain aspects you think of, like Christ, the Chocolate, the Copacabana. It is basically a city where every now and then you'll see a big mountain or a rock, but it still is a city with concrete pavements and all the rest of it, big buildings. That felt like it was exotic. That's how I thought it was in like the Caribbean, with the big palm trees and the sandy beaches and the islands, and it just looks and feels nothing like Rio or any other experience you'll get in the main tourist aspects of Rio. So if you want a different experience, very mountainous, a lot of vegetation, so it was very interesting to see a different aspect, a completely different aspect of Brazil, so I really enjoyed it.
Oh, and a tip, so we took our smaller backpack from our Osprey 4.70 and we decided to take one of our luggage locks so that while we were in the water we could put the lock on our bag and know that nobody could get into it. That extra sense of security, it really put our minds at rest going in the water, and then we didn't have to worry about our things on the boat. So that is Angra dos Reis. It's probably also worth mentioning that we did take footage with the GoPro underwater for our Angra dos Reis, and it held out well.
That's why it's my club number one for the week.
Very good. Look at that segue.
The GoPro was pretty fantastic. I advised Tony to get one prior to going, purely because I knew we'd want to take a lot of videos, a lot of photos, and we knew that we'd want to start like taking long videos like this and YouTube, etc. So probably the best way to do it on an amateur level. For an amateur first time, it's pretty great.
Yeah. For Roamin Rookies.
plugged on it.
This is the GoPro Hero Session. It was the cheapest GoPro available.
This particular one is waterproof, which I know for places like Rio and a couple of other places will be fundamental. For videos, it's been absolutely quality, and we've used it pretty much in every major day out, every major experience. And the fact that we want to get to YouTube and we just wanted to document our travels, it's been invaluable, so that's why I could live out for the week.
We have got another first for the week.
Yeah.
We had our first night out in Lapa and our first experience of a Samba club.
Party place.
Apparently Friday night is Lapa night, yeah. So the Samba club that we went to was called the Cafe Cultural Sacrilegio. So it was 20 real to get in.
When we first entered, it was pretty empty, like we were on the first, but by about 10ish it starts picking up. But it is a bit frustrating that if you are reliant on the metro, you know, your nights cut short, but you are kind of restricted by that aspect. It's not like New York where it's 24/7. You do have to take that into mind, and if you do want to stay out later, just be aware that you are probably have to pay more via a taxi.
You're going to have to get a taxi back.
But I didn't feel like leaving earlier I missed out on an experience.
No.
I think once you've heard a couple of Samba songs and seen people dance and even get up and dance yourself, you've experienced what that nightlife's all about. Drinks are more expensive in Lapa, as you'd expect.
It was about 10 real for a shot.
Quantity wise, about half of a 600ml bottle, so you're paying basically double for your beers. If you like drinking and you're catering for that kind of party atmosphere, definitely experience Lapa at least once.
It's very rhythmic and
infectious.
Once you get going. Just can't stop. My couldn't live without for the week is also one that is related to the things that we've done this week. So I have a bum bag. Actually, I have two.
Fanny pack.
Yeah, and they are waterproof. They are from Amazon. I think they were roughly about £10 for the two. These are my couldn't live without for the week. A top tip is to try them out before you go, but they have been invaluable in terms of when we went on the boat trip, likewise when we went to Copacabana, keys, money, and so far so good. They seem to be working very well. I'm very happy with them. We've been Roamin Rookies.
We have been.
If you like our videos,
keep tuned in. There should be many more coming.
Please hit subscribe. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Fish!
They're pretty cheap. Here we go. Here's
Mangan shoes. I'm Pick Hooray. You are.
I am at Tony Critchley.
Original.
Yeah.
Top notch original there. It's also an Xbox Live name if you want to search for it. Proper deep thought about that one.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of our YouTube video.
If you liked what you saw, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.
You can also find us on Instagram with @Roamin Rookies.
I'm at Pick Hooray.
And you can also find me with @Tony Critchley.
Thanks for watching.
Keep roaming.
In the mood for some movie talk? Check out our reviews of the latest and greatest the Silver Screen has to offer on our pop culture channel, Rookie Reivew. Check out the link in the description below.